Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhea, and in this video we are going to talk about the benefits of coffee. Who doesn't love their morning coffee, right? I frankly love my coffee. I love my morning coffee. I love my afternoon coffee. So I'm really excited to make this video because we are going to talk about the 5 benefits of coffee. So let's get started. But before that, I do request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. So the first benefit of coffee is that it can help mobilize fat stores, which means that it can help us burn fat. And this is because when we consume coffee, we release a chemical, a hormone called epinephrine in the body. And when we release epinephrine, fat stores get mobilized, making it easier to burn fat. So the first benefit of coffee is that it can mobilize fat stores, thereby helping us burn fat. The second benefit of coffee is that it can boost both physical and mental performance. When we consume coffee, our bodies release a chemical called adrenaline. Now, adrenaline is the hormone associated with the fight or flight response. So too much adrenaline is bad, but in small quantities, it can give us that boost to do a strenuous workout or do intense mental work or just get a boost in energy levels. So that's the second benefit of coffee, that it can really boost mental performance and physical performance. The third benefit of coffee is that it can potentially help us lose weight. And there are 2 reasons for this. One is that it can help in blood sugar control. So when our blood sugar is better controlled, we are less likely to binge eat and have cravings. And when our cravings are controlled, it's easier to maintain our weight. So in a roundabout way, coffee can help us lose weight. The fourth benefit of coffee is an extremely important one, I'd say, and it's that it can help reduce the symptoms of depression. And this is because coffee can promote the production of serotonin, and serotonin is associated with our happiness, right? It's the happy hormone, and usually depression is associated with low serotonin levels. So if coffee can increase serotonin levels, it means that it can potentially reduce the symptoms of depression. And the last benefit of coffee that I want to mention is that it is full of antioxidants, right? And antioxidants fight free radical damage, and free radical damage is what is responsible for the aging effect. It's what ages us. So in a way, it has this anti-aging effect as well. So I love my coffee, but as much as I love my coffee, consuming too much coffee has its own negative side effects. It can lead to anxiety, it can lead to insomnia, it can lead to stress. So it's best to consume coffee in moderation. And another thing that I personally follow, and a lot of people I know follow, is that they don't consume coffee about 6 hours before bedtime, right? So if say you sleep at 10 p.m., the last cup of coffee would be at 4 p.m. And that's because you don't want caffeine to keep you tossing and turning at night, right? Because caffeine can keep you awake at night. And also, if you're having coffee, go for the clean variety, black coffee or coffee with a dash of milk and maybe some stevia. Stay away from coffee loaded with sugars, loaded with chemicals, and loaded with ice cream and that sort of stuff, right? Because while you'll be taking in the coffee, you'll also be consuming the sugar, the calories, the chemicals, and that's really not required. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.